Hey everyone, this is Clement here from Opio, and today we'll be exploring how to create something like this in 2 minutes. First, let's drag and drop our image into the canvas. Remove the background of the image. And place it in position. Next, go to Graphics and search for Paint. Place the paint graphics to the position of the reviews. And bring out the image layer to the top of the paint. Select the Adjust button. Bring down the saturation and brighten up the image. Now here's where the magic happens. Select blending mode and choose screen. Do a playback by pressing spacebar. Nice! Add an additional emphasis animation to the image to make it feel a little bit more 3D. And lastly, add some text and make them white. Done! This technique is really useful for revealing your images or products, and it is fully editable to the way you want it. Hope you enjoyed today's quick tutorial. Remember to like, share, and comment on the video. I'm Clement, and I'll see you all next time.